Now, Maxwell's equation for good conductor. Maxwell's equation for good conductor. In case of good conductor, the conductivity is very high. Conductivity is very high. So the value of J bar is far greater than dou D bar by dou T. That means this value will be very small when compared to this value. So we are neglecting this value, and at the same time rho v equal to 0. Rho v is equal to 0. These are the two conditions. Now, that is in case of Maxwell equations for good conductor, the conditions are J bar is far greater than dou D bar by dou T and rho v equal to 0. These are the conditions now. Now coming to the Maxwell's equations again. These are the final Maxwell equations we have already seen here. Now I had to substitute these conditions in these equations. I have to substitute these conditions in this equation. Now look at here, first one, del dot D bar. Here the value of rho v is equal to 0. So it will become del dot D bar equal to 0. And this integral form will become surface integral of D bar dot ds bar equal to rho v value 0. So it will become 0. Next, coming to the second equation, just keep it as usual. Del dot b bar equal to 0, and its integral form is surface integral of b bar dot ds bar is equal to 0. Coming to the third one, del cross e bar equal to minus dou b bar by dou t. That is equal, and its integral form is again as usual, line integral of e bar dot dl bar equal to dou by dou t into surface integral of b bar dot ds bar. B bar dot ds bar. Simply I am substituting these two conditions. That means rho v condition in the first equation here and here, and this condition in the last equation here and here. So look at here, when we see this, J bar is far greater than dou D bar by dou T. So I am neglecting this dou D bar by dou T, and by keeping that del cross H bar equal to J bar, and this one integral form is line integral of H bar dot dl bar equal to surface integral of J bar dot ds bar. These are the Maxwell equations for good conductor. Just simply you have to remember this condition, and simply you have to remember these final equations. Then we will get those equations.